Welcome to another backyard retreat. So what we're doing here for the client is we had originally installed multiple sliding glass doors in the back, a roof, and unfortunately the client called with rot issues, and we found that the deck was not installed correctly and ledger board will have to be replaced. The deck has to be taken down. What we did is we designed this deck here with timber tack with the PVC all the way trim. We did white to match the white trim with the doorways, board and batten all the way lattice to match the red siding on the house. We did a couple of elements of lighting in the beginning that you saw there. That's that strobe light that goes across that privacy wall that we're building out of the PVC material. And the rails are all aluminum with a wire finish. Now, what you saw there in a moment was a beautiful patio space that you essentially walk and are led to by this beautiful walkway. And a little bit of a Ragnarok feature as the homeowner is a Viking. So we're pretty excited to showcase this for him and hopefully he likes it.